confess to the world that I love peanut butter and I love cake and I love instant gratification. And if you think the way I do, you are going to love this easy gluten-free peanut butter mug cake because it is so peanutty, it is so moist, and it's so delicious. You can top it with more peanut butter like I did to just up the insane peanut butterness of it all, or you could also add some banana slices or melt some chocolate chips on top. All of that is delicious. It is just so easy to mix a few of these ingredients, pop it in the microwave for about a minute, do the toothpick test, and once it comes out clean, you are ready to enjoy your mug cake, and it is just fantastic. Just make sure to use natural peanut butter, the kind you need to shake or stir like I showed in the video, because the kind that already has oil and sugar added won't work as well for the recipe, and of course it's less healthy. This easy gluten-free peanut butter mug cake is whole food plant-based, vegan, keto, low carb, sugar-free, dairy-free, and guilt-free. I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments, and please subscribe. Your support really means a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.